Hi guys, so yesterday we started with past tense. We did part 1. Today we're going to do part 2 and we're going to learn 2 more rules and how they work. So first of all, if your verb starts with one of these, her, be, ge, ver, ont, end, mis, then your rule will be slightly different. And the difference is that you will not add ge to your verb. Other than that, your rule is still the same. So we will still add het after the subject and your verb will still move to the end of your sentence, but you will not add ge to it. That's the only difference. So if we look at this example, Kylie begin die speletjie. Kylie starts the game. As we can see, our verb is begin and it starts with be, which is over there. It's one of these guys. So we cannot say gebegin. It doesn't make sense to speak like that in Afrikaans. It doesn't sound right. So we will not add ge. Other than that, our normal rule applies. So I start with my subject, Kylie, then I add het. Remember, my verb is going to move to the end, so then I do the rest of my sentence, die speletjie, which is the object, and then my verb begin, without adding ge. It will be the same with any verb that starts with one of these guys. Ont like ontleed, ver like vergeet. I cannot say, ek het my boek gevergeet, juffrou. I can only say, ek het my boek vergeet. We don't add ge to words that start, or verbs rather, that start with those. Okay, then the second rule for today is when I have a sentence where I have a voorzetsel, a preposition, at the end of the sentence. For example, af, op, and in, which is off, on, or in. Okay, and there's others as well. I just wrote a few examples here. So if we look at this sentence, Mpo gooi die suiker in. Mpo puts the sugar in. So if Mpo was making me a coffee, she's the one that puts it in. The last word of my sentence is a preposition, in. And what happens in that case is that the preposition is added to my verb at the end. Let me show you by writing the answer. Mpo het, so I have my normal rule where I add het, then my object, die suiker. Remember, gooi is my verb, so it will go to the end, and I must add ge to it, but I still need to add this preposition, in, and then instead of adding gegooi at the end, I'm going to add it to my preposition. Ingegooi, one word, like that. Okay, if I had op, juffrou maak die lesse op. Teacher Denise is making the lessons up. So if I give you extra lessons for the ones that we missed, it would say, juffrou maak die lesse op. Then in the end, it will say, in the past tense, it will say, juffrou het die lesse opgemaak. One word. So there's my preposition, there's the ge that I added, and there is my verb. Okay, so whenever your sentence ends in a preposition, the preposition is added to the verb and ge is in the middle. Ingegooi, opgemaak, and so on. It's added together. Hope that makes sense, guys. If you struggle with this at all, just give me a WhatsApp text and I will gladly help you. Okay, so like yesterday, where your worksheet was just about those 2 rules that we learned yesterday, in today's worksheet, you will only have examples with this rule or that rule. So just see which one it is and then apply these rules as I've explained them. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye.